Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the audio language for certain YouTube videos. So YouTube added this new feature to some videos where you can actually change the language of the audio on certain videos, and today I'm going to show you how to use that. So first thing, we need to go over to youtube.com and look for a channel that has this new feature supported. So I'm just going to use this channel as an example. And as you can see, if we play the video, it's actually in English. So how do we change it? So to change it, all you have to do is just press the gear icon on the bottom right corner of the video and just press audio track and change it to the language you want for. So I'm just going to use like Russian as an example. And as you can see, if we go back to the beginning of the video and play it, it still has the same exact video, but it has a different language. But the subtitles are still in English. What if you want them to be in Russian too? So to change the subtitles, just press the gear icon again and press subtitles and change them from English to the language of your preference. In this case, I'm going to use Russian also. So if we play the video again, we have Russian language and Russian subtitles. So basically, that's it for the video, guys. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.